All right, YouTube world, welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. Today I've got the HMD Vibe, recently released, fully unlocked. This version is fully unlocked. I know there's other versions out there. They're like T-Mobile and carrier specific, but this one is fully unlocked. Black Friday sale on Amazon, sold by Amazon, shipped by Amazon for just $69. Well, 70 bucks. $69.99. Regularly $150 this retails for. So that is pretty spectacular. If you look at the specifications, this version comes with a Snapdragon 680. My understanding is there's a lot of different variants out there, and they all come with different processors, but I'm glad to see this has a Snapdragon 680. I think that'll still be pretty good power for this phone for what it has. It has additional virtual RAM, 4,000 milliamp battery. What else we got? 6.5-inch HD screen, 90% refresh rate. Only a 13 megapixel camera on the back, but I mean, some others don't even have that. But so not the best cameras, but we're talking, I mean, come on, it's a $70 phone, so that's pretty good. Let's just do a quick unboxing. I'll show you what's inside of it. I'm not doing any sort of review on it, like performance-wise, just doing a simple unboxing with my jerry rig razor blade cutter. Okay, I just got that in the mail recently, so let's open this up, slide it off the old slides. There we go, boom. Gives you a little picture of how to install the SIM. So apparently it is micro SD expandable, so that is super good. So you can expand your memory. This one is a 128 gigabyte variant. All right, here's the phone. Ooh, let's open it up, see what it is. Let's see. Okay. That's snug, very snug. My goodness. Oh, they put some glue on that one. All right, well, let's just tear it out. So much for that. Boom. Pretty nice. Feels good on the back, like textured. I like that. Don't mind that at all. All right. Kind of set that off here. Let's see what's in the box. In the box, you've got that. You've got some instructions, of course. Some eject tool. You do get a brick with it, an HMD branded brick. I think it's only like 12-watt charging, so it's not like it's super fast. USB-C, no case. I was wondering if it had a case or not. I couldn't ever see any reviews if they had them or not. And a SIM eject tool. So that, folks, is what is in an HMD Vibe Amazon Black Friday $70 phone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, all that kind of good stuff. Enjoy the holidays.